3x square minus 33x minus 35. So dividing this x cube plus 3x square minus 33x minus 35 with x plus 1. So first we multiply with x square to get x cube. 1 into x square is x square. We change the signs and eliminate these. So 2x square minus 33x minus 35. Then to get 2x square, we multiply it with 2x. This is 2x signs. Eliminate these. 35x minus 35. To get minus 35x, we multiply with minus 35. So negative 35x minus 35. Change the signs. This is the result. So we can write x plus 1 times x square plus 2x minus 35. Then we go for midterm breaking. So x plus 1 times x square plus 7x minus 5x minus 35. 7 5 times is 35 and 7 minus 5 is 2. X plus 1, x is common, x plus 7 minus 5 common, x plus 7 bracket close. So x plus 1. Now taking out common, this is x plus 7 and we are left with x minus 5. So firstly, we showed that this was a factor by giving the remainder is equals to 0 and then factorize it completely. Question number 4. Divide by x minus 5 and the polynomial is x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 40. Show that it is a factor and factorize completely. So we divide it with x minus 5 to get x cube. This is x square. You get x cube minus 5x square. Change the signs. Add these minus 2x square plus 2x plus 40. Then to get minus 2x square, we multiply it with minus 2x. This is minus 2x square minus minus plus 10x. Change the signs. Add these minus 8x plus 40. To get 8x, we multiply with minus 8. So minus 8x minus minus plus 40. We change the signs and then add them. So first part done. The remainder is equal to 0. That means it is a factor. This could be written as x minus 5 times x square minus 2x minus 8. X minus 5. So 8 is 4 2 times 8. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. X minus 5. Taking out x as common, x minus 4 plus 2 is common. X minus 4 again. So x minus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 4. So the two conditions, firstly, remainder equals 0. It is shown that it is a factor and then factorized completely. Question number 5. X minus 2 is a factor of this and hence factorize completely. So question 5, x minus 2, and you have to divide the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 18x plus 8. So to get 2x cube, we multiply with 2x square. And we get 2x cube, and minus 2 into 2 is minus 4x square. Change the signs and add them. 7x square minus 18x plus 8. And to get 7x square, we multiply with 7x. This is 7x square. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14x. We change the signs and you add them. Minus 4x plus 8. To get 4x, we multiply with minus 4, minus 4x plus 8. Change the signs and add them. So shown that it is a factor, the remainder is 0. And x minus 2 times this 2x square plus 7x minus 4. To factorize completely, we go for midterm breaking. 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 into 1 is 7. So 2x square plus 8x minus x minus 4, x minus 2. We take out 2x as common, left with x plus 4. Take out minus 1 as common, again x plus 4. So x minus 2 times x plus 4 times 2x minus 1. So all three questions, same nature. Question 3, question 4, question 5. Long division, remainder 0, then midterm breaking. Question 4, long division, remainder 0, then midterm breaking. Question number 5, long division, remainder 0, then midterm breaking. To show that it is a factor and factorizing them completely. So let's see. Let's try question number 9. 8, 9, 10. Question 8 says, given that x minus 1 is a factor of this, find the value of a. If it is a factor, the remainder will be 0. So f of x is equals to 5x minus 9x square plus 2x plus a, and x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, we can say x is equals to 1. So f of 1 is equals to 5 into 1 minus 9 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus a. Basically, f of 1 is equals to 0 because it is given that it is a factor. So 0 is equals to 5 minus 9 plus 2 plus a. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 plus a. So a is equals to 2. Question number 9. It says x plus 3 is a factor of this. Find the value of b. F of x is 6x cube minus bx square plus 18. And x plus 3 is a factor. So x is equals to minus 3. And f of minus 3 is 0 because it is a factor. So remainder is 0. So f of minus 3 equals 6 into minus 3 cube minus b into minus 3 squared plus 18. This is 0 and 27 into 6. There's 162 with a negative sign minus 9b plus 18. 162 and 18, the difference is 144 over minus 9 equals b. So b is equals to negative 16. Are you getting it?
So is the remainder 16?
No, value of b is 16. The remainder.
Okay. But the question doesn't ask us about proving it's a factor.
No, this time it is given that it is a factor.
Okay.
It is given that it is a factor. So from there, we knew that f of minus 3 is equals to 0. There is no remainder. It is 0 because it is a factor.
Okay.
So now question number 10, I think we did this. We'll practice question 11. X plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of this. So we know the value of x will be minus 1 and 2. Question number 11. First factor is x plus 1. Second factor is x minus 2. And the expression is cx cube plus dx square minus 9x minus 10. So f of x is equals to cx cube plus dx square minus 9x minus 10. So I'm using this first one, x plus 1 equals 0, x is equals to minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to c into negative 1 cube d into negative 1 squared minus 9 into negative 1 minus 10. 0 is equals to minus c plus d plus 9 minus 10. So c minus d is equals to minus 1, equation 1. And then we have another factor which is x minus 2. So value of x is 2. So f of 2 is equals to c into 2 cube plus d into 2 square minus 9 into 2 minus 10. The remainder is 0. 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4. 9 2 times is 18 and minus 10. So this is minus 28. 8c plus 4d is equals to minus 28 plus 28. And we can divide the full expression with 4. So this becomes 2c plus d is equal to 7, equation 2. So using equation 1 and equation 2, I'm adding both these. So c minus d is equal to minus 1 and 2c plus d is equals to 7. So when you add these, you get 3c is equals to 6, c is equals to 2. So we can use any of the equation to find d. C minus d is equal to minus 1. Value of c is 2. Rearrange the equation. 2 plus 1 is equals to d. D is equal to 3. C is equal to 2 and D is equals to 3. This was question 11. Can you try question 12 with me? Factors are x plus 2 and x minus 3. Question 12. Factors are x plus 2 and x minus 3. And the polynomial is f of x is gx cube plus hx square minus 14x plus 24. These are the two factors. level, find the equations, and then solve for G and H. X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. F of minus 2, H of minus 2, 14, minus 2 plus 24. 0 is equals to negative 8G plus 4H plus 28 plus 24. And we can divide all these by 4. So 2G minus H is equals to 13. This is equation 1. Next factor, f of x is equals to gx cube plus hx square minus 14x plus 24. Second factor is x minus 3. So x is equals to 3. F of 3 is equals to g into 3 cube plus h into 3 square minus 14 into 3 plus 24. 27g plus 9h. 14 into 3 is 42.
42.
Plus 24. Thank you. So 27g plus 9h. So 42 and 24 is 18. We divide the whole equation with 9. So you get 3g plus h minus 2. So 3g plus h is equal to 2. This is equation 2. So we can clearly see that h, we can get rid of h by adding them, or else we'll either use substitution or elimination by rearranging them. So 2g minus h is equals to 13. 3g plus h is equals to 2. Adding these 5g is equals to 15. G is equals to 15 by 5. G is equals to 3. And let's use this equation to get h. 3g plus h is equals to 2. So 3 into 3 plus h is equals to 2. H is equals to 2 minus 9. H is equals to minus 7. H is minus 7 and G is 3. Any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Question number 13. Use the factor theorem to show that x minus 4 is a factor. Hence, show that 4 is the only root. I'm skipping this question. We did it yesterday. Question number 14. Use the factor theorem. Show that x plus 2 is a factor. Factorize f of x completely. Write down all the solutions of this. Please try this question number 14. I'll highlight it. Question number 14. Please try it and let me know. Yes, Mohammed.
Sir, I don't know how to do this question.
Wasn't that so quick?
Sir?
It says use the factor theorem to show that x plus 2 is a factor. There are two ways. Either you can substitute x minus 2 in this and show that the remainder is 0. Or you can use long division. We will use long division because second part requires that. So it will save our time and energy rather than going into two different methods, because in second part we definitely need it. So question 14. This is 4x cube plus 4x square minus 11x minus 6. First part says show that it is a factor. So we will divide it. If the remainder is 0, we have shown that it is a factor. So multiply with 4x square to get 4x cube. 2 4 times is 8x square. We change the sign and add them. Next, to get negative 4x square, we multiply with negative 4x. So negative 4x square minus 8x, we change this sign and we add them. Minus 3x minus 6. To get minus 3, we multiply with minus 3. So minus 3x minus 6. Change the signs and you add them. So the remainder is 0. Remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor. Okay. Now we have to factorize it completely. So we can write that 4x cube plus 4x square minus 11x minus 6 is actually equal to x plus 2 into 4x square minus 4x minus 3. Now we have already splitted it into linear and quadratic from cubic. 4 3 times 12. So 12 is 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So 2 and 6 can be adjusted to get 4. So 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. X plus 2, taking out common 2x, we left with 2x minus 3 plus 1, 2x minus 3, x plus 2, 2x plus 1, 2x minus 3. This is it. Long division, remainder 0. So it is a factor. And then we had this linear, where did it go? Okay. We had this linear factor multiply with this quadratic factor and then midterm breaking of the second half. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it says that show that f of 1 is equal to 0 and f of minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's take this challenge. F of 1 equal to 0 and f of minus 3 is equal to 0. Let me write this expression. F of x is equals to x4 minus 5x cube minus 42x square minus 9x plus 54. One thing it says that show that it is 0, and when you'll use your calculator, this will turn out to be 0. You can show one step, which is 2 minus 5 minus 42 minus 9 plus 54. So it is 0. And then f of this is minus 3. F of minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 power 4 minus 5 into minus 3 power 3 minus 42 into minus 3 squared minus 9 into minus 3 plus 54. Again, using your calculator, this will be equal to 0. And it says, hence solve f of x equal to 0. 2x4 minus 5x cube minus 42x square minus 9x and 54. So there are two ways we can do it. Firstly, if we solve it for factor was given x equal to 1. So x minus 1, one factor, then it was given that x is equals to minus 3 would mean x plus 3. So these are the two factors. We can use any one of these first. So the question is 2x4 minus 5x cube minus 42x square minus 9x plus 54. So I'm selecting x plus 3 first. So if I divide it with x plus 3, so into 2x cube, you get 2x4, 3 2 times is 6, plus 6x cube. We change the signs and we add them. So this is minus 11x cube minus 42x square minus 9x plus 54. Then to get 11, minus 11x square is negative 11x cube. 3 into 11 is 33 minus 33x square. We change the signs and we add them. So this is 9, 7, 8, 9 minus 9x square minus 9x plus 54. Then it is to get 9 minus 9, so minus 9x and x to get x square. 3 into 9 is 27. Change this sign and add them. 18x plus 54. Then to get 18x, we multiply it with 18. You get 18x plus 54. We change the signs and this. Okay, now we have x plus 3 into 2x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. Any confusion till now? We multiplied these two and splitted this polynomial which had a degree of 4 into 1 and 3. Is it clear till now?
Yes, yes.
Now for the next part, do you remember when we had a cubic part, we used hit and trial? But luckily in this case, we will not go for that because we already know our two factors. One was x plus 3 and the other was x minus 1. I've already used x plus 3. Now I'm using x minus 1 for this cubic part. So 2x cube minus, let me create space. 2x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. Because we've already shown that these two are the factors. So it will be divided with x minus 1. So 2x square is 2x cube minus 2x square. Change the signs and you add them. Then for minus 9 is minus 9x. 9 into 1 minus 9x square plus 9x. Change the signs, you add them. Why are we left with 18? We should have gotten rid of this. X minus 1, x plus 4. Can you please quickly check if you get 0 with 1 minus 11 into 1 squared minus 9 into 1 plus 18. 2 minus 11 minus 9 plus 18. Okay. This is 9 and 11, 2, and this 20 minus 20. Yes, this is 0. Where is the mistake? X into 2 is 2x cube. 1 into 2 is minus 2x square. So we get rid of this, and this is minus 9. Then minus 9 again and 18. Then 9 times is minus 9x square. 1 plus 9. So we get rid of this. Can you catch that? We should have got rid of this complete expression. Let me retry. I hope there's no mistake in the first part. No, because we got 0. So 2x cube minus 11 minus 9 plus 18. And dividing it with x minus 1. X minus 1. Dividing it with this 2x square. X into this is 2x cube, minus into this is minus 2x square. Plus minus minus plus, signs change. 9, 10, 11. So minus 9x square minus 9x plus 18. And then to get minus 9x square, we multiply with minus 9x. Minus 9x square. This into this is, okay, this was the mistake. Minus minus is plus. So signs changed. Get rid of this. And this is minus 18x plus 18. So we multiply with minus 18 to get minus 18x. Minus minus plus 18 again. Change the signs and add them 0. Clear? Now I am copying this main equation first and then the split. Main equation is x plus 3 times 2x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. And we know that this cubic expression is a product of these two. So we copy these two under this. It is x plus 3 times x minus 1 times 2x square minus 9x minus 18. Any confusion till now? Yeah,
Yes,
Mohammed. And now this is a quadratic part. So we just split them. 2 into 18 is 36. 1 into 36. 2 into 18. 3 into 12. So we can adjust this. So 2x square minus 12x plus 3x minus 18. X plus 3. X minus 1. 2x as common, x minus 6. Plus 3 common, x minus 6. So x plus 3 times x minus 1 times x minus 6 times 2x plus 3. Complete. जी, any issue?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, what are we looking at for our next topic? Mathematical proof. Known of theorems, clearly shown logical steps. Statement of proof. You can prove mathematical statement is true by deduction. This means starting from known facts. Obviously, 7 5 times is 35. Okay. In a mathematical proof, you must state any information or assumption that you're using. Show every step of your proof. This is basically the reasoning. Proof means the reasoning, same as you did in O levels. For example, it says prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So there's nothing much. This is now exactly the reverse of what we are already doing. This is a cubic factor. So we'll multiply these three to get this cubic factor and see if it is the case. So let's pick up a question. Let's try this question number 4. So let me copy this first. This is proof part, question 4, exercise 7D. This is 2x minus 1 times x plus 6 times x minus 5, and to show that it is equal to 2x cubed plus x square minus 61 x plus 30. So we just solve and tell them that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So multiplying these two first, 2x square plus 12x minus x minus 6 into x minus 5. 2x square plus 11x minus 6 into x minus 5. So first number with both of these, 2x cube minus 10x square. Then second number with both of these, 11x square minus 55x. Then third number minus 6x plus 30. Then simplifying, 2x cube is the only term, and we have 2 terms in x square plus x square, 2 terms in x minus 61x, and last constant 30. So we say short. Is it easier than the exercises we did before this?
It's
It's
somewhat the same, I think.
same thing, but just the reverse. And that we had to split. In this, we had to multiply. So these are few equations. Some are simple and some will make you think why you selected mathematics. So all I can say is practice. Okay. I would suggest that give some time to exercise 7C first and then come on to 7D, and inshallah we'll discuss our problems, and I'll share a practice test this week from these chapters before 7. That will be a short one. Anything if you would like to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.